In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the HD tuner and amplifier from Mini Cooper 2007, which is similar to some other years. Only some of the Mini Coopers, they are equipped with the HD tuner. Most of them, they have a tuner built into the radio. But in this car, the HD tuner is located in the trunk on the passenger side. As you can see, you need to remove the cover, and the tuner will be exposed. And it has two connectors and then three screws. It has two 10mm nuts in front of the tuner, which you cannot see in this picture. You do not need to remove the cover to get to it. You can just put your hand in the back of a tuner, and then you can feel the 10mm nuts and just use your socket, remove those two nuts. And then it has the 8mm screw on this side, which you need to remove. And then once you get this one screw plus the two nuts out, you can get the tuner out. And the amplifier is located on the driver side. And for the same thing for this one, you do not need to remove the cover. It has two 10mm nuts on the bottom of the amplifier and the one 8mm screw on the top. Once you get these three out, then you can just remove the amplifier or HD tuner.